Hello, viewers. Today we are meeting a great dancer. She has performed for so many decades, and it's really nice to bring her on this Prakriti Rhythms channel.
Celebrating the Natyam within every year. As I saw, I started off in the year 2017 to perform on the 8th of January, and last year I had Abhinaya Anubhavam, a series of lovely compositions by my mother praising Lord Vishnu. And this time I am taking you down the lane of Amba Antaryamini. As you all know, Antaryami means the one who is the inner witness, the one who is all pervading and all knowing. For me, it is Amba, whatever form she may be in. She is Antaryamini, she is the only witness who I seek and who
Om
I
Shri
have
Gurubhyo
realized.
Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namaha. I'm indeed blessed and fortunate to be performing and celebrating 34 years of my Bharatanatyam Arangetram. I had my Arangetram on January 8th, 1990 amidst great acharyas. But today, Ambal had to postpone this due to Amrita Varshidi. So here I am going to be performing Amba Antaryamini, the Amba, who's the only witness within and who's the only witness within each one of you. So, hope you travel with me in this bliss that is Sarvanandamaya. I will be beginning with Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Namaskara Stotram in Ragam Hamsadvani Mishra Chaputalam, which will be followed by an item Vigna Raja Janani, the one who is the mother of Vigna Raja or Vinayaka, the one who removes obstacles. This is according to Lalita Sahasranamam, and in Lalita Sahasranamam it says Kameshwara Mukha Aloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. As soon as Devi glanced at Kameshwara, aho, Vinayaka was created. So Vigna Rajajanani, which is an excerpt from Akhilandeshwari Matrika Pushpamala. After having taken the blessings of Vignaraja, I now move on to a very beautiful and melodious Swarajjati in Ragam Bhairavi, Mishra Chaputalam by none other than Shyama Sastri in Ragam Bhairavi, Amba Kamakshi, the one who is Maharagni, the one who is Simhasanastita, the one who is ruling all the three worlds, the one who is Bhaktimat Kalpalatika, the one who is Ananda Sandhayini. She is Raja Rajeshwari or Lalita Tripura Sundari, Amba Kamakshi Swarajati.
Now, she may be the mother of Vignaraja, but first and foremost, she is, first as I said, the first name is Sri Mata. The second word is Sri Maharagni, meaning the goddess of all the existing and non-existing things. She is seated in the Sadashiva Peetham, surrounded by Rama and Vani fanning on her sides. Sachamara Ramavani Savyadakshina Sevida. She is Adi Shakti. She is Aprameya and she is Swaprakasha. She doesn't need any explorations as she herself does everything on her own. She is Panchakritya Paraya. There are many stanzas in this, and you will get to see that she is Bhavaranya Kudarika, the one who cuts off the Bhava Bhaya Rogam, the life cycle of birth and death. And she is Kameshwara Mahishi. She is Patta Mahishi, the reigning queen of Kameshwara. She is Maheshwari herself. She has so many names that it would not be enough for me in this Janma. Just says Shama Sastri, even Hariharadula Brahmudu cannot seek how great you are. Ni Mahimalu Pogada Tarama, they can't tell how much great you are. So, as I explore her within this Swarajati, I request you to join me in Amba Kamakshi. Bhairavi, Mishra Chapu, the vocal is by Kalivamani Radha Badri. The percussions are Ramesh Babu on the Mridangam for all the recordings, Muthukumar on the flute, Vijay Lakshmi Akka for the Veenai, T.K. Padmanabhan sir on the violin, and the first vocalist was Kaushik Champakeshan, and this one is going to be sung by Radha Badri and Natwangam by myself.
Come
I now come to her little baby girl, Bala Ambika or Bala Tripurasundari. I was bestowed with her grace and she made me write this song in Tamil and set a tune. So, Amma Yendraital in Ragam Hamsanandi, Talam Adi. Bala Tripurasundari.
May not know about little Bala Tripurasundari or Balambika. The only mention of little Balai, as she is called in Tamil, is she is Nritya Yavana. She is between the ages 7 and 9. She is a Kanya. You know, we have this festival of Navaratri where we invite little children who have not become a Kumari to come and sit down. They are all representing Bala Tripurasundari the song and she made me tune it, but I have made Radhaka sing for me, and today I am presenting this bliss of little Bala to all of you. This is there is a prelude from Bala's Thavam where Nivasatu Hridi Bali. Always reside in the lotus of my heart, little Bala, followed by Amma Yendraital Anandam Agade. Should I call you a mother or are you my child?
कल्याणशीला नित्य कल्याणशीला रक्तांबरां चन्द्रकलावतंसां समुद्यत आदित्यनिपां त्रिनेत्रां विद्या